Hello everybody and welcome back to my lesson number 19. Learn Italian with Max. Today we are going to see the gerund. The gerund means that the action is going now. It's happening in this moment and we're going to see that. Okay? After the jingle. Today we are going to see the gerund. The gerund we use, as in English, when something is happening, when something is going through in this moment. In this moment I'm talking, alright? How do we say in Italian? Io sto parlando. I am talking means io sto parlando. Okay. The gerund in English is with ing form. Ing. Speak. Speaking, walk, walking, right? In Italian, when some words end in endo, ando, that means gerund. That means the action is going through now. And before that, there is the auxiliary verb to be. Io sto andando. I am going. Io sto parlando. I am speaking. Io sto in this case is to be, is the verb to be. Io sto parlando. I am talking. Alright? Let's see another case. I am drinking. I am drinking. Io sto bevendo. Io sto bevendo. Io sto drinking, bevendo, endo. Okay, sometimes it ends in endo, sometimes it ends in ando. It depends. Camminare, camminando. Bere, to drink, bevendo, bevendo. Okay, let's see some example. Remember this. If the verb is finishing in are, like mangiare, camminare, every verb that ends in are with the gerund is ando. Mangiare, mangiando, to eat, eating. Camminare ends in are. Camminare, gerund is camminando. Io sto camminando. Io sto mangiando. I am eating. I am walking. Okay? Just remember this. When the verb ends in are, the gerund is ando. Ando. Mangiando. Camminando. Different is when the verb ends in ere. Bere, drink, bere, to drink. When ends in ere or ere, it depends the pronunciation, the gerund is in endo. So, not ando, but endo. Bere, bevendo. I am drinking. Io sto bevendo. Notice the difference. Io sto camminando. Io sto bevendo. I am walking, I am drinking. Camminando, bevendo. I am seeing. Io sto vedendo. To see, in Italian is vedere. Vedere ends in ere. So the gerund is vedendo, vedendo. Alright? Even in those cases that the verb ends in ire, like dormire, is the same, the gerund is still endo. Dormire, dormendo. I am sleeping. Sto dormendo. Io sto dormendo. I am sleeping. Okay, it is very easy. You just remember and study this rule. Very easy, very easy. So stop here in this point, the lessons, go to the beginning and just listen again what I've said. And now we are going to drill it. We are going to do a test. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to write here the verb and you have to say out loud what is the gerund, right? Okay, so let's see the first one. Mangiare. Ends in are, so it's mangiando. Mangiando. Io sto mangiando. I am eating. Okay? Another one. Camminare. Are. Ando. Camminando. Io sto camminando. I am walking. Good. Dormire. Sleeping. Ends in ire. Endo. Dormendo. Io sto dormendo. I am sleeping. Again. Bere. Bevendo. Bevendo. Io sto bevendo. I am drinking now. Leggere. Reading. Endo. Io sto leggendo. Io sto leggendo. I am reading. Another one. Guardare. Ando. Io sto guardando. I am watching. Io sto guardando. This one. Guidare. Guidare. Driving. Ando. Io sto guidando. Guidando. I'm driving now. This one. Scrivere. Ends in ere. Endo. Scrivendo. I am writing. I am writing. Ok? Io sto scrivendo. So, that's it. It's very easy. You have to drill, but this is enjoying to drill, to exercise, and please do it. Read some newspapers, go on internet and check this last word on every verb. Are, ere, ire, guardare, mangiare, dormire, bere, vedere. All these verbs, and just try to figure out what the gerund is. Okay? Drill it. I'm sure that you will enjoy and you will learn an important rule in Italian. So, ciao ciao, ti aspetto alla prossima lezione. Ciao!